Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Apple TV Plus is the best thing Apple has done in the past decade, easily, by far. Like measuring up to the hardware, software, services, etc. Top of the pack, bar none. The reason why, actually, three reasons why. Number one, quality over quantity. You look at it at a distance thinking, there's not much there. It doesn't matter how much is there. It's what is there. It's the quality that ultimately matters. I don't gamble when I start a movie or a series on Apple TV Plus. I know it's going to be good. And genuinely speaking, and I'll say 95% of the time, it's awesome. Versus other streaming services where it's a bunch of garbage, quite honestly. And there's a lot of stuff, but not really anything to watch. Apple TV Plus is the polar opposite. The second reason, I watch it on a Google Chrome or a Google Chromecast even. I don't watch it on Apple hardware. You think, I need an Apple TV to watch Apple TV Plus. Nay. You can watch it cross-platform. I do it all the time. So it's awesome. Cross-platform for the win. The third reason, it's the best streaming for the money. Like, it doesn't cost a lot. I mean, if you got the what is their Apple, they've got a premium plan that bundles it all together. What is that called again? I don't pay for that because I don't use half the Apple services. This one, I absolutely use. So even if it charged twice as much, I still feel Apple TV Plus is an immense value. So if you have not yet begun to watch Apple TV Plus programming, do not pass go. Well, you don't even have to spend $200. Start watching.